Steer-by-wire is a technology that enables autonomous drive within automotive industry. What you do is that you take away the mechanical linkage between the steering wheel and the road wheels, and you exchange this with intelligent actuators. What this also gives the OEMs, the car makers, is an enabler to customize the interior for them, how the steering wheel looks and acts, but also decrease the spacing for the car makers. This is a technology that is quite complex, both from a software perspective, but also from a hardware perspective. It has the highest safety critical level, meaning ASIL-D. What we have in our simulator is a complete driver experience with traffic management, user interface to interact with the driver. I would say this has been a global team and on all type of generations included.